today we'll be looking at completing the square. Start off with a expression, a quadratic expression. X squared plus 6x minus 2. And you want this in this form, x plus a squared plus b, right? This is the form you want it in. Going to have to divide this number, the middle number, by 2, okay, to give you your a value, which is going to be 3. X plus 3, and it's going to be normal squared. So this 3 comes from this. If you expand this out, you're going to get x squared plus 9 plus 6x. You don't want the 9, you only just want negative 2. So what will you have to subtract to get negative 2? You'll have to subtract 11. So if you subtract 11, you're gonna get negative 2, and this is just the same as this, but we've written it in this form. So let's have a look at another question. X squared minus 4x plus 9 plus 9, and we want it in this form. So again, you want to divide the middle number to give you x minus 2, and you square that. If you expand this out, you're going to get x squared plus 4 plus minus 4x. Now you want a 9. What would you have to add on to the 4 to get 9? Well, you'd have to add on 5. But now let's say I don't want to expand this out and then write it all out again. A simple way I can do it is I want to minus the number squared, this number squared. So you're gonna minus 4, and then you're going to add this number which doesn't have any x, plus 9. And if you see, this gives us x minus 2 squared plus 5. So this is just a simpler way of doing it. Now here we have another question, and it's asking us to find the turning point of the graph y equals x squared minus 8x plus 3. Graph will look something, right? Something like this. Now this is just a sketch, don't take it literally. And you want to find the turning point. Before you do anything, you want to put it in this form. X plus a squared plus b, like how we've been doing to all the past questions. So how would we do this? Well, remember, you divide 2, and you're gonna get x minus 4 squared, and you take away the number inside squared, minus 16, and then you add on this number, and this will give you x minus 4 squared plus minus 13. Let's look at the graph. We want to find the minimum point. What is the lowest that this can be? Well, the lowest this can be is a 0, because we are squaring it. You want to find what number x has to be to make this part a 0. In this case, x has to be 4 to make this a 0. So this cancels out, and whatever in your y coordinate will be whatever remains, which is negative 13. So y will become negative 13. Turning point of this graph is going to be 4 minus 13. So here we have here we have a different type of question, and you're being asked to solve. So you've got x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. The steps are simple. You're going to do what you did before. You're going to divide this number by 2 to give you x minus 2 squared. You're going to take away the inside number squared, minus 4, and you're going to then take away 2. And now you're going to let that equal to 0. So simplify it down. X minus 2 squared minus 6 equals 0. Plus 6 both sides. You're going to get x minus 2 squared equals 6. You're going to square root both sides. You're going to get x minus 2 equals plus or minus square root of 6. And then you're going to add 2 both sides. You're going to get 2 plus or minus square root of 6. So the two answers we can have is either where we are adding 2 to the square root of 6, or where we're taking away square root of 6. Finishing it off, we're going to solve a exam question. So we have write 3x squared minus 30x in the form a times x plus b squared plus c, where a, b, and c are integers. So you got 3x squared minus 30x plus 63. You can take the 3 outside of the brackets. You're gonna get x squared minus 10x plus 21. You're going to do everything else normally. So you got x squared minus 10x plus 21. You're gonna divide 2 to get yourself x minus 5 squared. You're gonna take away the inside number squared, 25, and you're gonna add 21 to get yourself x minus 5 squared minus 4. Here you're gonna have x minus 5 squared minus 4. So expand this out here. You're gonna have 3 times x minus 5 squared. Here you're gonna have negative 12. So you're gonna have 3 x minus 5 squared minus 12 as your final answer. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.